Intel hiring people for the role of software developer. It's an internship plus job offer. They are giving package for software developer as 9 LPA. Let's see what is the procedure to apply for this job role, and let's see some of the eligibility criteria to apply for this job role. About company, Intel's Information Technology Group designs, deploys, and supports the information technology, architecture, and hardware or software applications for Intel. This includes the LAN, WAN, telephony, data centers, client PCs, backup and restore, and enterprise applications. IT is also responsible for e commerce development, data hosting, and delivery of web content and services. This is the official website of Intel. If you have any queries or what are the technologies that are used by Intel, if you want to know these information, you can follow this website. The job role is software developer intern. First, you will be getting an intern. After that, you will be getting a full-time job offer. The experience needed is freshers. Freshers can apply for this job role. Let's see the job description they have given. A candidate for a temporary position who has not yet graduated and is working towards a relevant bachelor's specialist, technical, master's or PhD degree from a relevant academic institute. A student employee can do specific work in the area of their future degree or work as a generalist in a specific department. The studentship is limited in time with the intent to hire into a college graduate or technical graduate position as appropriate. This is the job description they have given for this job role. These are the skills requirements. Let's see the what are all the skills requirements for this job role. Very good understanding of Linux or Unix operating system or the infrastructure capabilities. Very good understanding of Microsoft products like Outlook, O365, Teams, etc. Interface with internal business unit representatives, engineering and operation teams, and help or guide them on technical tasks and guidelines, data structures and software architecture design, methods, techniques and principles, MS SQL or MySQL database programming and or design, software development process such as Agile methodology. These are the skills you can use these informations to prepare your resume. The documents needed while attending the interview are you should have the latest resume since it is an online interview process. You should have the resume in as a soft copy, and you can have any one of the government proofs like Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter ID. Students should have all the essential educational certificates along with Xerox copies. Here, the educational certificates means 10th, 12th standard certificates and all the SEM sheets of your degree. You can have as a both hard copy as well as a soft copy. This is a link where you can apply for jobs in Intel. Let's see how you can apply for this job role. After clicking the link that I have shown before, you will be redirected to this web page. Here, this web page means the Intel Jobs web page. Let's see some of the information they have provided in this web page. They have given like software developer intern. The location is Bangalore, Kolkata. The job ID given and job category is intern or student. The primary location given is Bangalore, and the job type is intern. If you perform well, you will be getting a permanent job offer. And they have given the job description here, which I have mentioned before itself, and they have given some of the qualifications. Like we are looking for student with programming and the scripting skills to develop applications and support the IT infrastructure and services. This include infrastructure automation, distributed cloud storage, Unix or Windows system administration. These are the things they have mentioned, and they have given some of the legal disclaimer. Intel prohibits discrimination based on race, color, religion, gender, and national. These are some of the legal discrimination you can read from here. And let me give the another information. If you want to apply for other job roles, you can go to this button, search all jobs, and you can search by filtering the job roles. Now let me see how you can apply for this job role. After clicking this apply now button, you will be redirected to this workday page, workday website, where you want to create your account by clicking this create your account. After that, using these credential, you can sign in, and there will be a lot of stages. In the first stage, you should give your resume and your personal details. In the second stage, they will be asking your experience and your skills. In in the third stage, they will be asking whether your family members, or whether your friends, or whether your family members are working in Intel. And they will be asking some of the questions like whether your family members are working in any one of the military services. And at last, you can review your application and you can submit your application. Based on your resume submitted, they will be calling for an interview. So prepare your resume well, with based on the skills that I have mentioned before, that is needed for this job role. I will be giving the apply link in the description, and also giving the Telegram link in the description. You can use the apply link to apply for this job role, and you can use the Telegram link to follow me. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the Telegram. I will be answering you. All the best for your interview preparation.